Welcome back, Sweden, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Thursday, August the 5th, 2021. And first of all, a big shout out to, the 22 people who watched this video yesterday. Thank you so much for those views. I appreciate every single one of them, okay? Of course, before we do get started, a couple of favors. First of all, click that subscribe button by all means if you haven't done so already. Click the like button. That YouTube know that you like this video, so click that like button. And third and most important of all, click on that share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter today. You can also click on that share button, copy and paste the link to this video into an email or text message, and share it with your friends and family that way. But by all means, share the Caribou Data Science channel with your friends and family also, okay? And of course, before we get started, we also have the disclaimer that Sweden only records COVID-19 data Tuesday to Friday, which means that they're adding Saturday, Sunday, and Monday's numbers on the Tuesday numbers, which causes a big spike. Okay, so because of the missing data, because of the spike, we're actually not going to be concerned with the individual numbers, the daily numbers. We're only going to be concerned with the trend line. And again, this comes back to, we're falling back to our sort of defensive position, which is the trend is our friend, okay? Okay, and here's those Tuesday spikes. So the blue lines we're concerned with. Now you can see already you had a nice declining pattern here, right? But now you're seeing an increase back up in cases. Okay, again, we're not really concerned about this anymore. We're only concerned about what the line's doing, and the line is beginning to trend. Looks of his cases are beginning to trend back upwards. Yes. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, this is a 28 moving average. So each column is the average for the previous 28 days. So you can see as a 721, for the 28-day period ending 721, you're averaging 373 cases per day. What about that? So we can see, we had a declining pattern here, all the way down to here. But it does look if this is maybe just starting to drift up a little bit, so that remains to be seen. If you look at the 20 average, you can see that the previous 4 weeks was a little higher, but there does seem to be this pattern of these little knife edge type of spikes here, followed by a downward trend. Okay. Monthly cases, very, very low. Okay, very low. I'm sorry, weekly cases are very low. And weekly deaths are below 125 for the most part. Even below 100 back over here. All right. Monthly cases, 1, 2, 3 months decline in cases. All right. Deaths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going for the 6th straight month of COVID-19 decline in COVID-19 deaths. All right. So what's the good news? The good news is that the death rates are remaining low, hopefully declining, and hopefully cases will begin very swiftly to resume a downward trend also. Again, a big shout out to the 22 people who watched this video yesterday. Thank you so much for those views. Of course, I also need you to click on that like button. Okay, so that YouTube knows that 22 people like this video, okay? And of course, don't forget to click on the share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also, of course, click on the like button, click on the share button, copy and paste a link to this video into an email or text message. And of course, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Thanks again, Sweden, for your time. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.